Breaking updates coming in the controversy around the toilet tax in Himachal Pradesh. The additional chief secretary has now issued a clarification saying the order was withdrawn on the 21st of September, saying the notification has now been withdrawn.
21 सितंबर 2024 को एक नोटिफिकेशन जारी की हिमाचल प्रदेश सरकार ने, जिसमें कि रूरल एरिया में जो कि मई 2022 के बाद जो था, जो हमारे पहले पर कनेक्शन जो है पैसे लेते थे वो बंद कर दिया गया था। लेकिन कैबिनेट ने निर्णय लिया कि क्योंकि हमारा जो भी हमारी वाटर सप्लाई की पंपिंग होती है उससे 700 से 800 करोड़ रुपया एनर्जी चार्जेस हमें देने पड़ते हैं, कि इतना पैसा लगता है। और पर कनेक्शन का मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर आपका मकान 2 मंजिला है, 3 मंजिला है या 4 मंजिला है, उसको हमने एक ही कनेक्शन माना है कि जिस रूरल एरिया में उसके ऊपर जो है पर कनेक्शन के ऊपर 100 रुपया पर एक महीने का आपको पानी का बिल देना पड़ेगा।
Going across to Amandeep for that update. So Amandeep, not the only controversy, we just spoke about the UP model creating some controversy in Himachal Pradesh. Now another controversy over the toilet tax. Now the government has come out to say that this has been withdrawn completely, but tell us what the controversy was really about.
Well, Pratibha, see the U-turn of the government. On 21st of September, they issued the notification mentioning that some establishments have their own source of water and using the sewage of the government. And those establishments has to pay the tax of ₹25 per toilet seat per month. But now, when the entire controversy has been cropped up, and in fact the Himachal government has taken U-turn and withdraw that notification, specifically that line. Though the water bill, the water notification is still in place, they are imposing the water tariff to the people of Himachal Pradesh, but they have deleted the line that in which it was specifically mentioned that some establishments having their own source of water and using the sewage of the department, and they are leveraged for paying the tax of ₹25 per seat per month. This line has been deleted just because this was the burden. The people who are actually using their own source of water, they are not dependent on the government's water. Even they have to pay the tax just because they are using the sewage system which was being provided free of cost, which was in the headlines from several years, to which central government is talking about that Shauchalaya should be in every house and that would be a free of cost, and Himachal Pradesh government is just imposing ₹25 for using per seat of the sewage just because their own toilet is connected to the government sewage. And in fact now they have taken the U-turn, and even they are just talking about the water tariff that is ₹100 to be imposed on every household or every establishment. But they have reduced this line from the notification. See the U-turn of the government. Earlier they were denying, even Chief Minister trying to justify the position that they are only talking about the ₹100 water tariff imposed on the people, and in fact people are in capacity. There are 5-star hotels, there are 3-star hotels who are in capacity to pay this bill. But Chief Minister was not able to justify the position on this ₹25 per seat per month. He was not able to justify this position. So finally when they have seen that there was no solution to this controversy, and they just withdraw the notification and try to downplay the controversy so that at least they should not be embarrassed more even before the entire nation, just because Himachal must be the first state who has actually imposed this kind of tax, and in fact now taken U-turn. So let's wait and watch how the Congress is going to respond on this, just because so far we have listened from Chief Minister, we have listened from the Secretary, officials of the Jal Vibhag, but how the Congress is going to respond on this entire controversy. Either the Congress is going to endorse Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu's step, or they are going to defend it, or they will speak against it. We are just waiting for the statement of the Congress party.